When it comes to maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home, few investments offer as many benefits as high-quality windows. For homeowners in Winter Haven, Florida, the decision to upgrade or replace windows is a smart one that can lead to long-term savings, improved comfort, and a more aesthetically pleasing living space. Here are several compelling reasons why investing in new windows is a wise choice for those living in Winter Haven. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the biggest advantages of investing in new windows is the impact on your home's energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly single-pane models, can let in drafts and allow heated or cooled air to escape, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This leads to higher energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to compensate for the lost air. Modern windows, on the other hand, are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Double or triple pane glass, for instance, provides superior insulation and reduces the amount of heat transfer, helping to keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. For homeowners in Winter Haven, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, new windows can help reduce reliance on air conditioning and heating, leading to noticeable reductions in energy costs. Improved comfort and indoor climate control. In addition to saving on energy costs, new windows contribute to a more comfortable living environment. With better insulation, your home will be less susceptible to temperature extremes. The windows act as a barrier, keeping drafts, humidity, and outdoor noise at bay, which can create a more peaceful and pleasant interior. Whether you are trying to maintain a cool, refreshing atmosphere in the summer or a cozy, warm retreat in the winter, quality windows help maintain a consistent indoor climate, so you and your family stay comfortable year-round. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in Winter Haven in the future, upgrading your windows is a smart way to increase its resale value. Buyers are often attracted to homes that offer energy efficiency and low maintenance, and new windows can significantly boost your home's appeal. Energy-efficient windows are especially attractive in Florida's climate, where homes are put under stress due to heat and humidity. High-quality windows can give your home a modern, updated look while also offering a practical benefit that prospective buyers will appreciate. Additionally, many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, which can reassure buyers that they won't have to worry about replacing windows anytime soon. This long-term investment can pay off if you decide to sell your home. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a crucial role in your home's overall appearance. New, stylish windows can instantly enhance your home's curb appeal and give it a fresh, updated look. Whether you prefer the clean lines of modern casement windows or the classic charm of double-hung windows, there are a variety of window styles and finishes that can complement your home's design. Investing in windows is not only practical but also allows you to personalize your home's exterior. Replacing old, worn-out windows with new ones can dramatically transform the look of your home, making it more visually appealing to both passers-by and potential buyers. Better protection from the elements. Winter Haven's climate can be hot and humid, which can take a toll on the integrity of your windows over time. Older windows may have seals that have worn out, letting in moisture, air, and even pests. New windows are equipped with advanced weather-resistant technology, ensuring that they provide better protection against the elements. Whether it's heavy rain, humidity, or the intense Florida sun, modern windows are built to withstand the demands of the local climate, helping to protect the integrity of your home. Reduced noise pollution. Living in a busy area or near a busy street can result in unwanted noise that disrupts your daily life. If you live near a bustling area in Winter Haven, new windows can provide a significant reduction in noise pollution. Insulated, double or triple pane windows help block out outside sounds, providing a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Conclusion. For homeowners in Winter Haven, investing in new windows is not just about improving the aesthetics of your home, it's also a smart financial decision that provides long-term benefits. From energy efficiency and cost savings to increased home value and improved comfort, high-quality windows offer a range of advantages that can enhance your living experience. Whether you're looking to save on utility bills, protect your home from the elements, or increase its curb appeal, new windows are a worthwhile investment that pays off in numerous ways.